What's up, everybody? It's your boy G Money, back at it again with another video on the G35. So like always, real quick, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe right down below the video. Like always, if you enjoyed the content, feel free to put that thumbs up. And like always, for those who don't like the video, then put that thumbs down. But hopefully y'all do like the video, and if you haven't subscribed or hit that notification bell, make sure you do that. That way you don't miss out on any content. So, that being said, let's get this video started. So,
I'm trying to do curbside.
So we're gonna order Chick-fil-A because we can't dine in. By the way, that's my fiance. I'm gonna try to get her to be in my videos a little more. There you go, Chick-fil-A. We love our Chick-fil-A. We have like 8,000 points. But anyways, besides that, so what I have in my hand is my rear splitter. So it's gonna go right there. So I already have the side splitter, and I got the front splitter. So if you haven't seen those videos on how I installed them, then check them out. But yeah, hopefully these right here complete the look that I'm going for. So as you can see, I have to pre-drill the holes. It only comes with 4 self-tappers, so I'm gonna have to do 2 and 2. So these right here, they're 18-inch long, but as you can see, the texture is a little different than the other splitters that I have. But for the Sedan, they don't really make splitters, so actually these are a little bit different. But anyways, so I got my drill bit and my Phillips tip. So I'm going to just pretty much something like that. I don't know. So I'm gonna drill hole there, and a hole there. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna drill a hole here. And one hole. And then there's my 2 holes. Do it on the other side as well. So I'm over here. And drill right here. Alright, and now I just use my self-tappers, and then I'm gonna make the hole a little bit bigger, and then we'll mount it to there, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do that right now. So pretty much the only way you can tell the difference is, of course, you have your flat part, but on this end it's a little bit smaller. So that's your passenger side, and then that's your driver's side. So this right here is gonna go on this side. So I got my my drill, my self-tapper. So let's see. I don't know. Maybe I will pull it out a little bit more. So I'm gonna do that. There's that one. Now this is an 18-inch, so I don't know, let's see. I'm gonna put the other one on and we're gonna see how it turns out. Alright, let's do the other side. Let's see. So, as you can see, there you go, there's that one. There's that one. So from the top, from back here, tried to make them a little bit even. So what I did is just went off from the tip of my nail, right there, all the way. And then like I said, right here I started, and then I kind of went with the edge of the bumper. Same for here, edge of the bumper. Started it right here and then the finger. But yeah, that was a pretty quick install. Like I said, it's just a little bit of different texture than, you know, this one. But yeah, that's pretty much how everything looks. So, I don't know. It was pretty easy, but we'll see how it is. I don't know if I should get a rear diffuser. The one that I had, it came off, so I don't know. And then I still got to do the rear window spoiler. So we'll see how everything comes out. Alright, so pretty much that concludes this video. Like I said, it was a real easy install. I don't know, we'll see how it is. But yeah, I haven't seen any videos on the G35 sedan with rear splitter, so I just thought I'd do that. But anyways, now I gotta clean my fiance's car. The detail, the engine bay, it's kind of dirty. I started a little bit, but I'll clean all this up. And she wanted to say, make sure you wash your hands and wash your butt. That way you don't get corona.
And don't touch your face.
Oh, wash your hands and don't touch your face. Sorry about that. I thought I heard butt. Y'all pretty much just stay safe out there, guys, and get your mask. Clean your ass. Just kidding. Yeah, so pretty much that concludes this video. And like always, if you enjoyed the content, put that thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And like always, y'all stay safe out there and peace.